Namaskar, I'm television anchor and journalist Subhojit Panda. I've shot this video to express my heartfelt gratitude to Nirman Educational Trust Barakati and Kanchan Foundation Bhubaneswar for having chosen me as one of the judges of English speech competition. But let me tell you all, we got a tremendous response for English speech competition. It was indeed very tough for the judges to select the winners from all the entries. But all my fellow participants out there, while the final results will be out very soon, let me tell you few points on the basis of which the judgment has been done. So these are the 5 points that I will be discussing in the next few minutes with you. The first point, body language. When you're speaking about a topic, the confidence should show on your face. Yes, that's very important. Your hand gesture is also important, but it should not be too loud. When you're speaking, avoid sitting and giving your speech. Even if you're sitting, sit straight and deliver your speech with confidence. When you stand and speak, your body language is clearly visible, and this will help you fetch more marks. Now let's move on to the second point. And our second point is facial expression. When you're speaking about a topic, when you're delivering your speech, don't be too aggressive, even if the topic is a serious one. But that does not mean you will laugh or smile and speak. But the confidence on the face while speaking should be clearly visible. Yes, when you speak, your eye contact with the camera should be constant. Do not look here, there, not at all. Avoid doing that. Now let's move on to the third point. And the most important point is the content. Yes, before you speak about a topic, do a thorough research and homework before speaking. Do not speak just randomly. Try to keep your speech clear, crisp, and understandable. I was truly very disappointed with most of the participants since they did not speak about the topic properly. Most of them only spoke about cleaning hands, using sanitizer at home, etc. etc. I was mostly looking for that one point, and that one point is why should one stay at home during the COVID 19 situation? Most of you actually did not speak about this aspect. So that was the most disappointing part. Now let's move on to the fourth point. And the fourth point is voice modulation. When you speak, your voice should be clear, should be loud, and it should be audible. Ensure that there is no background noise, otherwise, it will make things pretty messy. Always take a pause after every sentence. It will enhance your speaking skills and increase your probability of winning a competition. And the last point is command over the language. Yes, you heard it right. Since this is an English speech competition, try not to add too much of Hindi or Odia words in it, except during the beginning or at the end of the speech, or while using the slogans. Ensure that your vocabulary and grammar is on point. Yes, you might not be very good in English, but ensure that you use right words at the right place. So all the fellow participants, the final results will be declared, will be out very soon. So please wait patiently till the results are made official. Do not be disappointed if you fail to win a prize. Winning and losing are part and parcel of every event, of every competition. What is more important is improving yourself and knowing about your weak points. And the COVID 19 situation is getting worse day by day. So, a humble request to all of you, please do stay at home and do not move outside unless there is a need to do so. Thank you, everyone. Stay home, stay safe. This